Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm extremely honored myself to be receiving such an important degree from the university. I'm honestly grateful for the recognition for having been a student of the university for 4 years. I thank my fortune. We started the class at the university together with a classmate in 2018. Before I can say simply that I never thought I would stand here on receiving this award. I tried the best to get here. But there was always someone who outdid me. You know already what you truly want to become. I think the most important thing to fill a large part of your life. And you have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. You're born to do all different things in the finance world. And I have always watched that for myself. And the only way to chase your dream what you believe is great work. If so, I think that you will be a successful person in the not far future. Let me tell you that is not just my sole effort. My teacher, friends, and family encouraged me to stand here. Now I'm standing here today and talking to all of you about it. Everyone needs such a mentor in life. Thank my friends, teacher, and my parents. I have faced several challenges on my way to here, but I'm glad that today is your day. I sincerely thank each one of you for having me reach a state where can I proudly hold up this award from the university. On closing note, don't give up attempting. We have had many memories throughout our university journey. I will completely never forget it. Has been an amazing journey in my life. I will always remember this university I paid for you all to reach proudly here. Thank you so much, Dean of our faculty. Thank you.